Welcome to today's match between Fulham and Wolves. We are at Craven Cottage in London on this November 1st, 2025. More than just 3 points are at stake. Both teams aim to consolidate their position in the Premier League table, and a win defines confidence while putting pressure on direct rivals. The stadium buzzes with fans who expect excitement and spectacle from the first to the last minute. Fulham arrives in form, leading quick plays down the wings and thrilling the crowd with precise passes. Alexander Mitrovic dominates the box, while Andreas Pereira creates opportunities from midfield. On the other side, Wolves rely on speed and quick transitions. Pedro Neto challenges defenses with sharp dribbles, and Hwang Hee-chan finishes with precision, keeping the match intense. In their last encounter, Fulham surprises and maintains an edge at home. Now, the story rewrites itself. London's possession meets Wolves' constant pressure, promising thrilling tactical battles. Stay tuned, as every moment can change the course of this exciting clash. The clash between Fulham and Wolves. Wolverhampton Wanderers, for round 10 of the English Premier League, reached half-time with a minimal advantage for the home team. The current score is Fulham 1-0 Wolves. The goal that secures the partial victory for Fulham was scored early by Ryan Sessegnon, precisely in the 9th minute of the first half. The second half of the match is expected to be tense, with Wolves looking for a comeback and Fulham defending their lead to consolidate the win and earn important points in the competition.